Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Commander.
Finally.
And today we have V8 Plus Sparkling Energy Lemon Lime Edition.
Yeah.
This sounds pretty interesting. So veggies and fruit, the steady energy from black and green tea.
Very
Yes, it's ice cold too, so that's gonna help. So looking at the important factoids here, guys, we got ourselves 50 calories, 60 milligrams of sodium, 12 grams of carbohydrate, 10 grams of sugar, 100 milligrams of potassium, 10 milligrams of vitamin C, 3.2 milligrams of niacin, 0.34 milligrams of B6, and 0.48 micrograms of B12. Nice. Fruit juice, water, concentrated juice of apples, etc., etc., etc.
I really think it's going to be kind of spicy.
Yep, you said it had, what, 70 milligrams of caffeine?
80.
80. That's okie
Equal
dokie.
to a cup of coffee.
Cool. So let's pop this open. So lemon lime. So it's either going to be a Mountain Dew or a Sprite.
Yeah.
So what is it actually going to taste like? That's what's going to be kind of interesting. Yep. Ooh, okay. Mmm.
I think it's going to be pretty good.
Interesting. So more of the texture of Sprite, I think. Maybe a little bit of Mountain Dew texture.
So you're a miss maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Or
It's definitely light. A little bit heavy on the lime.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, but it's pretty good. You definitely taste the extra veggies and stuff in there as well.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's reminding me of something. Oh yeah.
Maybe Volt.
Love it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Volt.
The old Volt drink.
Yeah.
That was good.
Wow.
Enjoyed that one.
Mm.
Sad that we can't get it in the fountain anymore. That was some good
You
stuff. The
didn't
Volt
get it
out of the
at
fountain.
That's not just fountain, just not
Mm-hmm.
at all.
Yeah, but it was good when you got it out of the fountain. That's nice.
I like it.
Mm-hmm. Nice, crisp, refreshing.
I didn't
like
think
it.
Quite that
I didn't think it would be that good
It's got a
either.
little bit more body to it. I was
Mhm.
expecting a little bit lighter and crisper.
Yeah.
Of like a Sprite or whatever they call Sierra Mist now.
Mm-hmm.
But that's,
Yeah, starry.
yeah.
Starry!
Where'd that even come from?
I don't know. I want to know that too. Yeah. I mean, Sierra Mist, that was a bit of a mouthful, but
Yeah. So
still.
But
anyways.
Starry's better.
Starry. I don't know. But anyways, that, I like it. Yeah, that is
Wow.
like very, very good.
I am liking
Mm-hmm.
that. Yeah.
So I'd say SRD 392 because that's definitely a easy, not as much caffeine, but a nice, easy pickup sip, and it's very, very good. So I like that.
The value aspect, because we went to Ollie's and they've got those 12 pack for $6.
Nice.
So I think that's really hard to beat
Yeah.
for what you get there. So
Yeah, 50 cents
Very,
a
very
can, right?
yeah,
Yeah. So yeah, pretty good. I like that.
Go,
Yeah.
So it's
Pretty
not a
good.
huge, crazy amount of caffeine.
Mhm.
So I'm impressed.
Yep. Like it.
See how they do.
Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.